Hello children, your Arun sir going to teach application of percentage. Dear children, though we have already discussed, but some of your friends text me that last question we are finding difficulty to solve. So it is better that I should explain the last questions. Exercise 3B. See, exercise 3B, question number 7. We will solve exercise 3B, question number 7. Pakistan scored 270 runs and fell short of India score by 10%. Score of Pak. In short, I am writing Pakistan 270. Fell short by 10%. Then India's score. Try to understand this question. In a match, maybe 2020, maybe one day, that doesn't matter. Pakistan scored 270 runs and was defeated by India. By how much? By 10%. Now, our question is that what will be the score of India? Dear children, what I have told, that in mathematics, if you are not knowing anything, take it X. So take India's score as X. Let score of India is equal to X. And 10% less score is 270. 10% less than this score is 270. It means X minus 10% of X. This is India's score. And 10% less than India's score is the Pakistan's score. See here, let us solve it. X minus 10 by 100, X is equal to 270. Both are like terms. 100x minus 10x is equal to 270, or 90x is equal to 270. 90x by 100, or x is equal to 270 into 100 by 90. 0 0 cancel. 9 3s are 27 and 3 into 100 is 300. That is the answer. Now dear children, whether you are correct or not, how to find? See here, India scored 300 and 10% less is 270. Let us subtract 10% of 300, what we are getting. So 10% of 300 means 10 by 100 into 300 is equal to 30. India scored 300 and 10% less score. Subtract 300 and 30. Is it 270? Is it the score of Pakistan? It means our answer is correct. Maths is so easy subject that no need to see the answer. You can check whether you are right or wrong. Now, this is a long method of calculation. One thing you can do, short calculation you can do. In mathematics, time factor is also there. So now I will teach you a method to reduce the time period. See here, x minus 10% of x. Directly you can write 10x minus 10% of x. 90x by 100 is equal to 270. And when you will calculate, you will get Suppose I have 10% more amount than you and I have 110, then how much you have? You have X rupees and 10% more than you. X plus 10% of X, and that will be what? It will be 110x by 100. So this way you can directly calculate. In short, you can calculate. Now let us solve question number 10. What is there in question number 10? Question number 10. Hanif scored 48 runs. Hanif scored 48. If he scored 20% more than Roy, it is 20% more than Roy. So what is the question? What is Roy's score? Try to understand this question. Hanif's score is 48 and this 48 is 20% more than Roy's score. Means in Roy's score, 20% of Roy's score is added, then it became 48. Very easy, same question. Let Roy's score be X. Therefore, it is Roy's score and 20% more, 20% of X, and now it is becoming Hanif's score, 48. Directly you can do 120x by 100 is equal to 48, or X is equal to 48 into 100 by 120. 0 0 cancel. 12 4s are 40. That is the answer. So Roy scored 40 and 10%, 20% of 40 is 8, and that is 20% more is Hanif's score. So how easy the percentage is. Now some more question we will discuss, which is often asked in the examination. What are those questions? Let us discuss. Two people are there. They are A and B. Two people are there and they are A and B. A has 20% more than B. Then B will be what percent less than A? What percent less than A? Try to understand the question. A is 20% more than B. Then B is what percent less than A? Don't say 20%. It will be wrong. And if such type of questions are asked, consider 100, because 20% of 100 will become 20. 13% of 100 is 30. Easy to calculate. So consider, and whom we will consider? See, A is 20% more than B. So consider B as 100. Then what it will be? 100 plus 20% of 100? 120. Let B has 100. Therefore, A will have 20% more than B. 20% of 100 is 20. A will have 120. Very clear? Now, our question is, 100 is what percent less than 120? Try to solve. 120 minus X% of 120. Then it will become 100. 120 minus x or 120x by 100 is equal to 100. Very difficult to calculate now. Transfer this minus that side and bring this 120 minus 100. Why I have done this? So that minus 120 may go that side and become positive. 120x by 100. This is 20 is equal to 120x by 100. Leave a x here. 20 into 100 by 120 is equal to x. 2 6 are and 3 50. 50 by 3%. Don't leave your answer here. It is an improper fraction. Full mark you will not get. Change it into mixed fraction. So it will be 16 whole this percent. Very difficult to calculate now. Very difficult. One shortcut method I will give you. One shortcut method. Percentage less or more. Less or more. And it is equal to difference. Difference. Percentage less or more is equal to difference into 100 by original value. Dear children, try to understand percentage less or more. Our question is A and B, two people are there. A is 20% more than B. Then what percent B is less than A? We have solved, but shortcut trick I will do. We have to find what percent less than A has B. Same, till here we will do the same thing. Let B has 100, therefore A will have 120. Now what is difference between 100 and we have to find percentage less. So percentage less is equal to difference. Difference is not 20 into 100. And here you will be confused. Original value means 100 is what percent less than 100. Means 120 is the original value. So 2 6 are 50. 3. You have got 16 whole 2 by 3%. Very easy to calculate now. Some more question. Like this we will solve. Let us solve such type of question. Suppose your mummy send you to market to buy sugar. She gave you money to buy sugar. Your mummy gave you money. You went to the shopkeeper, and as you went to the shopkeeper, you were asked to give him 1 kg of sugar. But what the shopkeeper told, that now the price is increased by 25%. If you are a foolish fellow, you will come back to your house and say that in this money I can't get 1 kg of sugar. But if you are a cleverer one, what he will say? He will say, reduce the percentage and then give me whatever the sugar in that amount I will get. Question understood or not? Then what percentage less sugar he will get? See this question. Price of sugar is increased by say 20%. What percent less sugar a man will get? Question understood or not? 20% there is increase in the sugar. Then what less percent sugar he will get? That question only. That question I am going to solve. Let the price of sugar is equal to rupees 100 per kg. Increase in price. Increase in price 20%. Therefore, new price per kg is equal to 120 rupees per kg. Listen. Let the price of sugar is equal to rupees 100 per kg and 20% increase in price of sugar means new price per kg is 120 rupees. And how much money you have got? 100. Means in 100 rupees, what amount of sugar you will get? What percentage less sugar you will get? Apply that formula. Percentage less. Difference into 100 by original value. Difference is what? Difference between 120 and 100. 20 into 100 and original value price, new price is 120. That was the same question. It means 16 whole 2 by 3% less sugar you will get. Understood or not? So dear children, we have finished the topic percentage. Now it is your work to do all the question. And one more thing I will like to say, don't think that in examination whatever the questions are there in your book, that will be there. Instead of Hanif, Mohan may be there. Instead of 250 runs, 360 runs may be there. So how to do it? Do all the, practice all the examples also and solve different types of question, and then I am sure you will become very good in mathematics. Thank you very much.